Today I will show you how to set a stop loss and take profit in ForTraders X platform. You have to use something that is called OCO. OCO stands for one cancels other. This means you place both a take profit and a stop loss at the same time, and if one of them is triggered, the other is automatically cancelled. For example, if your take profit gets hit, your stop loss disappears automatically. If you don't set it up through OCO and your take profit gets hit, your stop loss would still remain, but instead of acting as a stop loss, it would become a pending order. To set it up, right-click on your open order and choose the option Close with OCO order. A new menu will open. Since I'm setting up the OCO for my buy position, I have to keep sell for both stop loss and take profit. For the take profit, choose the order type limit and set the price where you want your take profit. For the stop loss, choose the order type stop market and set the price where you want your stop loss. Once everything is ready, hit confirm and send. You will then see both your stop loss and take profit on the chart. And that's how you set a stop loss and take profit in ForTraders X platform.